The menu will be healthy, food that we really like to make, like to eat. We'll source locally as much as possible.
The people in the community deserve a restaurant that provides healthy food at reasonable prices, not a chain of restaurants beholden to interest outside of our community.
Maybe a really warm and inviting space. It's really modern too, but not to the point that it gets intimidating or sterile. We're gonna focus on creative solutions and substitutions for the ingredients that make food unhealthy. You won't notice from eating it, but you can trust that it's a healthier option. We want to have a lot of different options, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free. We'll have a focus on crepes, also paninis, salads, carry-out, and it's all going to be fresh and organic.
This is for the community. It's to help accelerate our employee co-op model and export it elsewhere.
I'm really excited to not only open the restaurant and turn it into something that I love, but also work there and really help it thrive.